Hi there, my name is Abigail Baumgartner and we are here at White Rose Equestrian Center today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to put on polo wraps and standing wraps. This is Mr. Rare, he's going to be our model today. Okay, so we've got our polo wraps here. So we've got a nice clean leg. You always want to start with clean legs. We did brush him before we started this. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your polo wrap and it's already wrapped up. We're going to put it right in the middle first and you're going to wrap around this way. And you want to make sure it is relatively tight. We don't want to be pulling it so tight that you're going to be crushing the tendon, but it needs to be tight enough that it's going to support the tendon and stay on. So we're going to wrap down first. Once we get to about this point, we're going to go down underneath the hock. Oh, please don't bite me. And back up. And what that's going to do is it's going to form a V right here. Ideally, you'd want it in the front, but ours is pretty close to the front. From there, we're going to wrap back up, pulling relatively tight as we go. Rare, please stop biting my back. And we're going to go up toward the knee. Thank you for helping. We appreciate it. Go around and pull it tight and secure it like so. All right, so next we're going to do standing wraps. Now, before you put standing wraps on, you can use them for a couple different things. Today, we're just going to basically show you, so there's nothing on the horse's legs, but again, they are clean. Some people do put liniments on, and then they use the standing wraps to hold the liniment in and make sure it soaks in really well. We're not going to worry about that today, but some people do that. So, for standing wraps, you're going to take them, and this one is rolled up. You're going to take it to the cannonbone. We're going to hold it here, and we're going to wrap around counterclockwise, going just below, or right above the knee and below the fetlock. And you want to keep it nice and tight and with no wrinkles, so don't fix our wrinkles. Wrap it right around, like so. Then, you're going to take your polo wrap, start in the middle again, go around the same way we did the other way, counterclockwise. This one again is going to be not too tight, but tight enough to support the leg and the tendons in the leg. Work our way down, wrap below the fetlock, and work our way back up. Come around, and that's it.